Asking the pharmacist for advice. Excuse me, could you help me please?
Of course. How can I help you today?
I need something for a runny nose.
Okay, what are your other symptoms?
I am sneezing a lot today.
I see. Do you have a fever as well?
No, I don't think so. Just this.
How long have you felt this way?
It started this morning when I woke up.
It sounds like it could be allergies.
Yes, I think that's what it is.
We have some good medicine for that.
What do you recommend for me?
This is a popular antihistamine tablet.
Okay, what does it do exactly?
It helps to stop sneezing and runny noses.
That sounds perfect for my problem.
It works very quickly for most people.
Does it have any side effects?
Some kinds can make you feel sleepy.
Oh, I need to work later today.
Then you should take the non-drowsy type.
That is a great suggestion. Thank you.
Here, this one is non-drowsy.
How often should I take this pill?
Just one tablet each day is enough.
Should I take it with some food?
You can take it with or without food.
That is very simple to remember.
Yes, it's quite convenient for you.
Do I need a doctor's prescription?
No, this is an over-the-counter medicine.
Great. I will take this box then.
All right, is there anything else for you?
No, that is all for today, thanks.
You're welcome. Remember to drink water.
That is good advice. I will do that.
It helps your body to feel much better.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. I hope you feel better soon.
I appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too. Please take care of yourself.
Thanks again. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Let us know if you need more help.
A long day at work. Ready to go home, Sarah?
Yes, finally. What a long day.
You look really tired. Are you okay?
I'm just exhausted. That meeting was endless.
I know, right? My brain feels a bit fuzzy.
Yes, so much information to process.
Do you have any plans tonight?
Not really. I just want to relax at home.
That sounds like a very good idea.
What about you? What are your plans?
I think I'll bike home soon.
Oh, but it's starting to rain a little.
It's just a light drizzle. I have my jacket.
Okay, just be careful on the wet roads.
I will, thanks.
That's true. It can be very refreshing.
Maybe I'll grab a coffee on the way.
A hot coffee sounds perfect right now.
It really does. I need some energy.
Me too. I might make some tea at home.
Tea is a good choice. Very calming.
Exactly what I need after a day like this.
So, what will you do to relax?
Probably watch a simple movie or a show.
Anything interesting you're watching now?
I started a new comedy series. It's funny.
That's great. Laughter is good medicine.
It is. You should find a funny show too.
I'll look for one. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. It's better than thinking about work.
You are absolutely right about that.
We need to switch off our work brains.
Definitely. It's important for our health.
It is. Otherwise, we will burn out quickly.
Well, I should probably get going now.
Me too. My sofa is calling my name.
Haha, I understand that feeling well.
Enjoy your bike ride, Mark. Stay safe.
Thanks, Sarah. You have a restful evening.
You too. See you tomorrow.
See you. Hope you feel better then.
Thanks. I hope so too. Goodbye.
Forgot my laptop. Good morning, Mark. Is everything okay?
Hi, Sarah. To be honest, not really.
You look quite worried. What's wrong?
I am. I had a very stressful morning.
Oh no. Did something happen on your way here?
No, I biked here fine. The problem is what I forgot.
What did you forget? Your keys? Your wallet?
I wish. I left my work laptop at home.
Oh, that's not good, especially on a Tuesday.
Exactly. I have the big project meeting at 10 a.m.
And you need your presentation files, right?
Yes, all my notes and slides are on it.
Can't you go back home to get it quickly?
I don't think so. I live about 45 minutes away.
And traffic is probably bad now. That's a problem.
It is. I feel so silly for being this careless.
Don't be so hard on yourself. It happens to everyone.
Thanks. I'm just not sure what to do now.
Let's think. Maybe you can use the cloud?
I didn't save the final version there. A bad habit.
Okay, new idea. I have a spare laptop.
A spare one? Here at the office?
Yes, it's my old one. I keep it in my locker.
Would you let me borrow it? That would be incredible.
Of course. It's not a new model, but it works.
Anything is better than nothing right now. Thank you.
Let's go get it. Hopefully it has enough battery.
I can grab the charger from my desk.
Good thinking. My locker is just around the corner.
You are a true lifesaver, you know that.
We have to help each other out. Here we are.
This is great. I just need to log in.
The login details should be on a note on the lid.
I see it. This is perfect. It's starting up now.
I'm glad I could help. Now you can relax a little.
Yes, I can finally breathe. I owe you one.
It's really no problem. Just focus on your meeting.
I will, but let me buy you lunch this week.
Well, if you insist, that would be nice.
I do insist. How about on Friday?
Friday works for me. We can go to the new cafe.
Sounds like a plan. I need to set up for my meeting now.
All right, I'll leave you to it. Good luck.
Thank you again, Sarah, for everything.
Why I chose a vegetarian diet. That looks like a very healthy lunch, Sarah.
Thanks, Mark. I enjoy eating fresh food.
I notice you often eat vegetarian meals.
Yes, I have been a vegetarian for 2 years now.
That's interesting. What made you decide that?
Well, there are a few different reasons, actually.
I'm curious to hear them, if you don't mind sharing.
Not at all. Firstly, it was for my health.
For your health? How does it help you?
I feel much lighter and I have more energy.
That makes sense. I sometimes feel tired after lunch.
Exactly. I don't get that sleepy feeling anymore.
I have thought about eating less meat myself,
That's a good start. Many people do that.
but I really enjoy a good steak sometimes.
I understand that. I used to love steak too.
Was it hard to give it up?
A little at first, but now I don't miss it.
So, what are the other reasons you mentioned?
The environment is a very big reason for me.
The environment? How is that connected to food?
Meat production uses a lot of water and land.
I think I have read about that somewhere.
Yes, it has a big impact on our planet.
That's a very strong reason to stop.
It is. This is my small way to help out.
I admire your commitment. It seems difficult.
It's easier than you think. There are many options.
Is it easy to find good food when you eat out?
Yes, most restaurants offer great vegetarian dishes now.
I guess I never really paid much attention.
You just have to look at the menu carefully.
Are there any other important reasons for you?
Yes, I also care a lot about animal welfare.
So it's a mix of health, planet, and animals.
Exactly. All three are very important to me.
You've given me a lot to think about.
I'm happy to share my point of view.
Maybe I will try meatless Mondays or something.
That's a fantastic idea. Let me know how it goes.
I will. Thanks for the interesting chat.
You're welcome, Mark. Enjoy the rest of your lunch.
You too, Sarah. See you at the afternoon meeting.
Okay, see you there in an hour.